Welcome. In front of me I have INFINIX Xwatch 3 GT, and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the middle button or the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe right on the screen to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it of course. In settings, look for the option called Vibrate and Ring, and tap on it. And here we have vibration intensity. Select it. And right here we can adjust the vibration intensity by tapping on plus and minus buttons. And we have low and high. I don't know if you can hear the difference, but hopefully you are able to hear it. And once you're done, you can press the middle button to go back to watch face, and that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.